Hello everyone. So in today's video we're just going to look into a new filament. So we just received this filament from Augment 3di, and this is Premium PLA Pro. So they are given the specifications as nozzle temperature to be 190 to 230, and we usually keep it as 190. So I'll set the appropriate temperature for this particular filament. Then net weight is 1 kg. Usually in the market, whichever we get, it's usually in 1 kg. And printing speed range is 40 to 100. We set usually to 60, and bed temperature is 50 to 70, and we usually use 60. And here approximately they given us 325 meters. The spools which is available in the market usually ranges from 320 to 330 meters, and filament diameter is 1.75, which is the standard size filament, and had ordered the color red. The company had actually sent the filament very soon, but through the tracking I was checking, the delivery courier team took extra day. So here's the filament. We have silica gel inside. So those are small crystals. So that's actually to avoid any moistures within this packet. When they're storing it for a long time, the filament tends to become brittle. So let me just check. Yeah, this is one of the filament which I had at home, and it's been like exposed to air very long time. So this is how it becomes. So it's very brittle. It becomes like actual plastic, but it's supposed to be a little flexible. So we'll just open it and I'll show it to you. And usually this is one of my empty spool, and the one major advantage I see here is they mentioned meters here. It's like 0, 50, 100 up to 350. So you'll have a rough approximation like how much meters is still left in your spool. Usually what we do is, like, after it reaches a particular layers, like 3 or 4 layers is left, we count like each circle as 30 centimeters max, and then we calculate like how much of spool is left. So I'm not sure how accurate this is, but let me check. Maybe once after we get it printed, we'll come to know. So before I change the filament, I'll just preheat my extruders. So red light is on and it's starting to preheat. Yeah, it is starting. Let's just open this. So filament looks very good. Yeah, see, this is not so brittle, right? So this is how the filament should be. It should not break. So this is a temporary setup. I just mounted it on top of the printer itself. I'm just making a printer box so that I can print other materials also. So I'm just going to insert it inside through this, and the bed temperature has reached 190. I'm just pushing it. I think you can see it coming on from the bottom. I've given the file for the printing, so that's waiting for the bed temperature to rise to 60, and you can see here the nozzle temperature is 180, and this is the set temperature which we set, and this is the current temperature. So this is the set temperature, and this is the temperature which is getting built on the hot plate. So it's going to reach 60. I think it should start printing. So this is how the extruders runs at the initial. See the line drawn. I think the bed is level enough for this material also.